So here we are, picking up this Dodge Charger Hellcat redeye widebody from Throttlestop in Elkhart Lake. I'm Randy Pobst. I'm the spoiled rotten one on this team. My friends let me come drive, and it's my third year with this team, friends road tripping, and I think it's my fourth one lap of America.
I'm Jason Stromowski. This will be my third one lap of America. Enrique got me involved in it in 2019, and it's been a great time. It's a wonderful event, raising money for American Cancer Society, and it truly is just a great road trip.
And I'm Enrique Ramirez. I've been doing the one lap since 1999. This is going to be my 14th time, so I'm what you call a lap dog, 13 times over?
Yep.
So, as One Lap of America, it's a great event. A lot of great people have been doing it for many, many years. It was started by Brock Yates back in the 80s. It transitioned from the Cannonball Run because with legislation and everything going on, it was getting hard to be able to run those Cannonball runs. A lot of pressure, so they created this event called the One Lap of America, which when it started originally was a One Lap of America. They touched all four corners of the country, and it was a time distance event, and it ended up being, it would be like a 10,000 mile week. So it's gotten a lot easier, and as we've gotten older in age, it's nicer that we're not doing those 10,000 mile week long event. It's a 4,000 mile event now. And we're doing it for the American Cancer Society. I've been battling stage 4 kidney cancer since 2018, and it's kind of motivated me to try to do something to make a difference. And through our participation in this event, we've raised probably close to $60,000, $70,000 for the American Cancer Society just since 2018. So
it's funny, Enrique mentioned getting older and more years, and when you're dealing with the American Cancer Society, getting older is not a bad thing. It's a good thing. Like, this is going to be your official farewell tour number 3, right?
Yes, it is.
It's a pleasure to be here with these guys that are my good buddies, and for me, Enrique was also the bad influence that talked me into it too, which wasn't hard to do.
No hard arm twisting here to get these guys to do this crazy thing.
And we're going to see if we can win our class in this Charger and bring it home here to the Throttlestop to be proudly displayed on top of one of these beautiful $1 million classics. How about it, guys?
Sounds like a plan.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Woo! Car's got the longest name in the automotive industry: Dodge, SRT, Charger, Hellcat, redeye, widebody.